Let me put on some gloves before I open the mystery box from darkweb. I ordered this mystery box from darkweb from China. It cost me around 250 bucks and an extra $100, and that was the delivery charges. I hope this is worth my money, guys. This is a weird looking mystery box with orange color interior. So let me open this box right now for you guys, and let's take a look what's inside. This one actually took a month to get delivered at my home. As I said, it was from China, and can't trust these Chinese sellers, guys. There could be a virus or something. Oh my god, guys, you won't believe what's inside. There's not much stuff inside, but there's drug inside. This YouTube could ban this video, so just make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more of this. I think this could be a new drug that they invented, like in the movie Lucy. And the next one is a syringe with a blue color liquid or something. I don't know why are there so many drugs in this box. This could be a drug or maybe a antivirus. And there's a capsule too. It's written like it should be sold by a medical practitioner and should not consume alcohol. It increases alertness or something, and it's dangerous, I guess. That's what is written behind it. This has some kind of small beads or balls inside. Let me show you in a close-up camera. I'm gonna open this. Now you can see. I think this is some kind of drug too, guys. I'm not so sure, but as you can see, there's something inside. Small beads. I'm gonna take it apart to see like what's there. Small balls, like I don't know what that is. Could be some kind of pill, I guess. I'm not sure. And what is this? Oh my god, guys, this diamond. I think it's a real diamond. It could be worth a lot of money. And the brand is, I guess, Lange. This diamond is from Lange. As you can see in a close-up shot, this is a real diamond, guys. It could be worth a lot of money. I think I got my money back, guys. I don't know why would they put diamond in here, because I think they can sell this and they can earn money, but they just gave it to me. I actually paid about $250 for it plus delivery charges. I think it's pretty worth it. And there's some kind of coins. There's 4 different type of coins. I'm gonna show it to you one by one. 4 old antique coins, I guess. I'm not quite sure. This coin is, I think it's from China, I guess. Something written in Chinese. You can see, it's 5 Wujiao, I guess that's how you pronounce it. And the next one is TZ, I guess. I'm not sure. I think these coins could be worth a lot of money, I guess, guys. It's old antique coins. This one is from India and it's 1944. It's too old, guys. I think this could be worth a lot of money. And it has a hole in middle. This is from Queen Elizabeth II and it's 20 pence. The last one's memory card. This is a memory card adapter with a micro SD card inside. Maybe it has some video footage. This is a 128 GB memory card and it was encrypted with password. Once I decrypt it, I will show you what's inside. Make sure you are subscribed. Like this video, guys.